We are again, and I'm here for Sunday, which is Monday, and going upstairs to see what it looks like. I'll bring you along. I'm a bit bored this morning, but this is 22. 22 is where a lot of the Southwest Airlines park and send the luggage, and you know that one. And then of course, as you can see, that's the doorway I come down, and then of course the restroom that is always closed. It has been worked on for the last oh man, I bet you it's been at least a year and a half, 2 years, and I think that they are making money off of us, are bothered by the whole thing. I mean, my goodness. This is the elevator. We're going to go up. I'll turn around and let you see. A lot of customers, a lot of passengers like to, oh, can I go to the elevator? And I have to say, no, I'm sorry. Push the buttons. Push the button. Oh, speaking of which, push the button, be my friend, and I'll talk to you as an individual online. The upstairs is a place where you bag your bags and you load on the airplanes. As you can see, nobody at United, nobody at Delta, nobody at America. Well, actually, there's a guy over there cleaning everything, ready to go. Checkpoint 4, right behind me. Down here, that's checkpoint 3, that's the main one, and nobody's going through. And I'm like everybody's information man. So today, I'm going to tell you my information. I don't know. Well, look at my hat. That's my Beijing Olympics hat. But guess what? Olympics is over. COVID-19 did us all a favor. It's got everybody cleaning the restrooms. I have one hand. This hand doesn't do anything. I suppose I can wash it, but it is not. So wash your hands. Say happy. Oh boy. Nobody working. Spacing, like we all are so used to. 3 flights.
Required to stay home or in their hotel room for 14 days after arrival.
You know the drill. This is downstairs at the airport, and as you can see, there's nothing going on. Thought I'd walk out, let you see what it looks like in the airport. That this is a large airport, but I showed you we had only three planes leaving this afternoon. So there's some airport medical, and they actually do a lot of work, but Confib has knocked them out of business too. A couple planes for Hawaiian, where those look like the big wide body. Those orange flags say that plane is out of service, and there's some of them, a bunch of them, out on the runways. That's where you walk up above. But hey, you know what? Somebody's got to do it. Might as well go finish brewing my coffee. All suspended
Yeah, the DOT, what does it say? DOT required to maintain, the CARES Act required everything.
Oh my
Through
God.
September 30th.
Wow.
Wow.
Uncle, that's me. I don't get paid by Keurig Company to tell them how great they are. That's my car. I have to go inside and get my parking service. I'll show you what it looks like. My parking is not paid for. So I'll have to go find out what the deal is. Hey, guess what? They didn't give it to me because it's not paid for yet. I don't know. I'll have to call the boss.
Okay. I noticed the name of this place.
What about it?
It's called ABM Parking Service.
That's not nice. Leave it to Cheryl to come up with something nasty.